Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope everything's fine. So, today I'm going to talk about Google Docs. Google and Google Docs also. So, Google hacking is a very useful technique when we want to find something specific on a specific website or specific IP address. So, first of all, open your browser, Firefox. I'm going to use Firefox, but you can use Google Chrome, you can use Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera, anyone you want. Google.com. Right. So we have five commands, basic commands from Google hacking. In URL, in title, in text, site that it's used with this tree before, and we have file type. Okay. First, I will introduce to you guys the in URL. It's simple, very simple command. Okay, so in URL, the dots. I can use slash admin and then slash card. No, let's login. All right. So JSP. JSP is Java Server Page. All right, server page. And then site .com. Oh, jeez. Site .com. Let's see what we have here. If it's going to show us any of this. Probably there are some websites, but I'm not sure if they are JSP. Let's try. Accept the risk. Please keep yourselves safe and use a VPN. All right. I use NordVPN. It's good. Doesn't save logs. So. All right. Here we have login JSP. Here the same thing, JSP, and here is the same thing, JSP. So if I change here to PHP, it's going to bring us all the PHP stuff pages. All right, here's. Well, let's open this. You guys see PHP, PHP, PHP. Okay, so this is one of them. I forgot to put here two dots. Anyway, now we have another command that is let to find vulnerable web servers. Let's URL and then here. Here we just say like proc the process, and well, I've just here, and this is going to show us some stuff. So here we have something, and here we have something also. Okay, and this is to find vulnerabilities in web servers. So let's see. Even even just pay attention for something. Even if we don't find anything, any kind of information, we have one very nice thing here because there isn't disabled. We have the web server name, the version of the web server, the version of the it's a Ubuntu server, and then the IP and the port. So there is no HTTPS, it's just HTTP. Okay, it's very dangerous. So if I take this and put on Google, or search on Google or NCVE database for vulnerabilities, I could find, and then I could use this on the server. Okay, so close here. And here we have a directory on the root, probably looks like. Okay, so here we have CPU info, crypto. Oh, interesting. Let me see what we have here. So we have version time, we have Ioman, file system, right, and we have other folders. So here it's empty. Okay, so let's close it and let's check if we have any other. Yeah, there's something else in others. So here upload file. And well, we have some things. Ah, right. So let's back one more, and then here we have more folders and probably more information. We can check about look for information about web server or system or login information, whatever you want to look for. So here we can look for something. Here we probably can upload a shell, PHP shell, or a web shell. Okay, and then we can execute this and use for remote access. So let's close it. So now if we want to use in title, and then on in title we are going to use index of. This is going to be here on the title of the page, okay, and then we can use in URL FTP. So let's check here. We have one FTP page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could open all the pages, every single one, tools, password, and nasa.gov. I perfectly don't touch it. And then here we have some information about mails. Alright, just goes here, and then here we have a nice list of folders. And I can close it too. And then here we have a lot of folders we can check out. Here we have 3 folders. Let's go to the parent folder. It's going to be the website. And then, oh, just we open, close tab. And here we have also some. We have web config files. So, yeah, we can look for anything we want. Okay, like we could check also in text. Okay, in text it's much easier to like text login login. Let me take it from here. Oh, text text, and then URL FTP. Let's see what we have. So here's server login, and probably there's going to be like login page or login and password. Okay, but we can use for other stuff here, like password. Okay, and this is protected already, so there's no much let's say vulnerabilities of files available or URLs with this kind of information. So here, username and password. Now we have one last one. It's file type. Okay, we can just say here better not use with config.php site.com. Yeah, Google verification. Oh no, that's it. Okay, so here we have some config, alright? If we spend some time, we can get something very interesting. Okay, because there's a lot of pages. So here config, well, let's do something. Um, Here is exploit DB is showing us something. So here is DB but and we have some GitHub stuff also. File in, file advisor, file text. As I told you guys, if we spend some time looking for, we can find something. We can find what information, precious information. My precious. It's the worst. So let's check here. Well, Google Docs, blah blah blah. Okay, let's close it. I am done. Probably just documentation. Well, if we keep looking for, probably we can find something very useful. Okay, we can check about any other stuff we want using these parameters. Okay, these syntaxes. Well, guys, let's just check. Let's SQL. Yeah. It have to be new. I don't know what is it. So we can say like this. In URL database dot SQL. Let's see what we find. Probably is there not too much. There's no available database, but still we get some things here. The txt file, and then is a SQL procedure, and this is SQL TSQL transact SQL. It means it's for SQL server. So yeah, guys, that's it. Right, thank you for watching this video. I'm not gonna make this too long. Thanks, and see you guys on the next video.